say that fitness is very important, not only for the child, not only for the adult, even after old age also.
Ma'am, now one thing which is common amongst all sports is very high levels of concentration. And especially in boxing, you lose concentration even for a second, your opponent can punch you or knock you out. So, as one of the best boxers ever, do you do anything as such to improve your concentration and to increase your mental focus?
Concentration, yes, it's very important. We have to always, focus during the fight. And of course, if there is not, able to, lose your concentration and all, maybe yeah, the opponent will catch you, and yes, anybody can take advantage.
Mhm.
If I lose my concentration, of course, maybe I cannot able to win the match. So it's very difficult. Or even sometimes we'll lose our concentration
Mhm.
also,
Do you
focus.
do anything as
So
such, ma'am,
then,
to practice your focus at home? Do you meditate or anything like that?
no, not like that, not at all. But what I was thinking is only I've make a strategy. Like, if I get to know whom I'm going to fight,
Mhm.
and I was thinking, yes, I have to play like this, I have to play like that,
Mhm.
strategy. I'm making strategy and focus,
Mhm.
or always be alert.
Mhm.
And yes, easy, then I can take easy, I
Mhm.
play very easy
So you
also.
prepare
But if
strategies for your matches.
it's very tough boxer opponent, then we have to be always alert, and we have to
Mhm.
be very careful.
Hmm.
There's lot of strategy also.
Very true.
So accordingly, making concentrate. Yes, I have to concentrate on that, or concentrate on this. So that's my con.
Huh. Now, Mary, one thing which really amuses me and my family and every person who comes across you is that despite having so much success in the past, you are so incredibly humble. How is it that you've never let success come in your way and stayed so
Well,
humble?
thank you, thank you, Abhi. Humble, yes, be humble. It's I think from the childhood only my family taught me, be humble, and even my parents are also very humble. Uh, any single person when they talk, that also learning. When parents are talk very humbly, of course, our children also learn from them all, is it?
Mhm.
If we are very rude and very angry or something like all the time, yeah, sometimes so happen.
Hmm.
And if every time, every day, then children also learn.
Very true.
That's only I also learn from my parents to be humble. And uh, when I talk, yes, I'm uh, coming from very humble background.
Mhm.
And even I could not able to talk rude, and like not able to even make a big smile also. Because if if uh, if they some of my friends, they are already all of them rich, but if I smile, what they will speak on me, or if I'm not smile, what they will say on me. That is all the time I have doubt. And always, yeah, be quiet and listening. And if they need or require, to help me or to do something from me, then I'm helping out. I'm whatever they want. So
Mhm.
this is some learning from a childhood only. So yeah, I'm lucky that coming from a humble background, that is the most, yeah, that is great, making, I mean, giving me a life after achieving everything. Uh, I think.
So that's a very strong message you've put out here. The way you grow up and the way your parents raise you up, and that actually makes a difference how you will be in the future. Now, Mary, nowadays a lot of younger people and the people of the new generation are taking a lot of interest in fitness and taking up careers in sports. Now, as one of the legends of our country and a very successful sports person, if you had to give them one piece of advice in general, what would it be?
In June, actually, yes, there is a, maybe they have some, like, if they want to do something in their life,
Hmm.
then easily to convince. And if they don't want at all in their, at all in their life to do something like, maybe in different, if fitness, then easily to convince, easily to, we can give tips also.
Hmm, hmm, hmm.
And by force, I don't know, by force, some of they, slowly they might be know about what is the benefit of fitness.
Hmm.
Then they will be able. So now, before was mostly, for the past almost 10 to 15 years, people are not into in fitness.
Very true.
Now slowly, now it's, people are into in fitness.
Hmm.
So uh, one story I have seen, when I go abroad for the competition,
Hmm.
um, and I have seen people. I mean, very old women, men, women are going for, work, and even there is a. I think I have never seen in my life. I didn't know at all. They are love laugh loudly. They are laughing very loudly. That is a kind of exercise I have seen. Actually, the old men and women are made or what?
Hmm.
So later on, there is a exercise. Laughing is also is a part of exercise,
Hmm.
and uh, exercise now, I mean, fitness is very much important. If uh, if you want me to give advice to the people, then I think, I just want to say that fitness is very important, not only for the child, not only for the adult, even the after old age also.
It's a lifestyle.
If
Fitness is
you
over
want me,
beyond age.
yeah, if you want to make the human system also make a strong, then fitness only can boost your fitness level, or
Right.
whatever, human and all. So everything, I mean, only I have a one habit, actually, one habit. What if I'm not doing a regular training? Actually, my body is, I don't know, I'm restless.
Very restless. Yes.
Is restless. I feel like restless. I
Connected.
something missing. Yeah, uh, I'm already used to. Okay,
Mhm.
since almost I was fighting, I was training almost 20 years.
Mhm.
Think about being a girl, being a mother, and there are so many responsibilities, and but I still take the importance of fitness, because if I'm not done a one day training, even there is no any competition also, if I'm not done my training in one day, whether in the morning or the evening,
Mhm.
and I feel like I'm restless. I want, I lost something, so that all the time I did my workout,
Mhm.
every every time, every day. And of course, in there is any competition coming up, and I did sometimes twice, sometimes thrice. That
Mhm.
is very important for to compete in the international level. I
You've
have
been
to
very
bring the
consistent with your workout.
yeah, yeah, fit level. Otherwise, even the all the skill, all the technique, I have to reviews, and you have to make the perfect. I
Mhm.
have to make it perfectly again.
Yes.
So now, yeah, now is mentally, physically, everything is calm, slow down. Then if competition will come up, yes, I have to go think immediately, quick, fast. Everything will be again. That is the strategy actually.
Mhm.
So people just want to advise that is fitness is very important. Do some exercise. Spend of course when you start when you started in the first time maybe 10 minutes or 20 minutes,
Slowly
and
keep increasing.
slowly, yeah, not immediately to
Mhm.
do a workout 1 hour,
Mhm.
not necessary, not important at all.
Mhm.
So first first we have to make our body to used to,
Used to
actually
the
body
workout.
should be
Yes.
used to slowly. Then when you use to, then you can increase the timing. You
Mhm.
can do how much you can.
Mhm.
But that
Slowly
is
keep increasing.
yes,
Wow.
slowly. That is very important. So that is my advice to all of you. Fitness is
And
very
fitness is
important
very
if you
important.
want. Yeah, whether in not in the sports as well, education, in other field also. It's very,
Everywhere.
if you fit, you can able to do whatever you want.
What do you? Very true. The question I have for you, you've had such a successful career, you've achieved so much as a boxer. Now, when you look back at your journey from when you began, do you ever feel like you had any regrets or you wished you could have changed something or something should have been different?
I don't have any regret actually, because whatever I have already done for the past and till now, I learn different type, and even the I have work with different coach also.
Mhm.
Uh, that is most of the coaches, they don't have the same techniques, same thought, same training. They have their different this
Technique styles.
capability, yes.
Mhm.
Even I'm happy to learn any type of, I'm not facing any difficulties also.
Mhm.
So I love training with the foreign. I love the training with the Indian coach.
Mhm.
So only things is train hard, as
Mhm.
well as on inside the ring. They could not able to help me, actually only accept me. I mean, I'm going to do whatever,
Mhm.
or winning, or yeah, lose. That is, it's up to me, yeah.
To you.
And what I learned, and of course I don't have any regret also. And learning is and I want more learning in
Mhm.
the upcoming days and all. So maybe in the upcoming days, maybe opinion also may be very strong, that also I can able to learn something
Mhm.
when I lose or lose the match or something like when I win, then I can improve better again. That is, winning and losing is
Part of the game.
doesn't matter, but part of game. And always I
You
was
learn.
trying to learn something to them.
Yeah. So I can safely say that you have had no regrets from the past, but you've taken
Yes.
everything as a learning and moved on.
Yeah.
Now, one last thing about your academy. You have a boxing academy, right? So, can you speak
Hmm.
us through your boxing academy and how you're training your students?
Actually, I have a lot of student in my academy. More whoever train in my academy, that the young boxer from my academy is I'm I took from underprivileged family only actually.
Mm-hmm.
Um, underprivileged only because if they could not able to afford,
Toward the practice.
yeah, even from the small step, like from the training kit and all, so
Mm-hmm.
they could not able to buy, they could not able to purchase, they could not able to afford anything like. So some are they can afford, of course the family is not
Problem.
the same, and some are rich, some are poor, that is happen. uh, that is of course life. Even I also, same, my journey was I could not able to purchase what I want, but at least my parents they can able to get for me that is very cheap. And now of course many kids, the parents are also more into in the sports, and I don't they borrow money and they do a lot of hard work, earning
Mm-hmm.
double earning, and they for for the kids, actually for their kids they can buy anything like.
Mm-hmm.
Now is the life is different. Even some of my students just they just starting, I mean just join the training session and all, practice and all. So they have Adidas tracksuit, Nike, Puma, branded. See, they are nothing. This is just beginner only.
Mm-hmm.
They are the beginner, and now people are more into to have a good stuff. So
Mm-hmm.
that is not required at all. But uh, whatever I when I just come to my academy again, have I think nearly 100 boxer in my academy, both boys and girls. And of course we have a lot of I mean trying to improve all the facility. And I have a ring, I have a gym, I have a hostel. And what I am doing is uh, we are uh, uh, we are under non-profit, like we are non-profit organization, uh, because I just want to give opportunities,
To the
even
youngsters.
yeah, for the underprivileged kids.
Mm-hmm.
So uh, just I'm opening because of them only actually, for underprivileged kids, children. So for rich people, of course, they can go anywhere. Whether if they don't come in my academy, also there are so many institution, big institution. Everything facilities there. They can go anywhere. But some of the rich family also they came, and of course almost welcome. For me is I don't
Your
have
job
any
is to train
problem.
them. Yeah.
Yeah, only I was opening
For the
the academy is for the underprivileged children. So I give
very
them
kind of
as a free of course.
you.
Even before what I do, we have given only training, and we have giving providing some training kits like boxing glove, and some pad and all. But now we are improving a lot. We can able to give tracksuit,
Mm-hmm.
and able to give nutrition also. There are so many company corporates, they are supporting us, and so because of that only we can able to provide them.
Mhm.
If alone, I mean, I don't think I can provide whatever the needs.
Mhm.
So because by God grace, actually, now slowly we are going, stepping up, and improving, and now we will having, we also have the hostel. We are planning to have another hostel,
Mhm.
so that children, they will uh, comfort, and they can able to
Perform it.
train happy normally. Yeah.
So we can expect to see a lot of future champions from your academy.
Yes, I always dream. That is always my dream. After me, of course, at least after me, I don't know in India who will come.
Be the next
Yeah,
champion.
who will be the next? And it's very difficult to say, because I also could not able to say,
About
and
it.
it's not, only God knows. Even I do, I don't know,
Early
and
said that
only
good
God
health.
knows.
Yeah.
But I'm trying to, produce some champions from my academy.
Well, that's very,
So
very kind of you, ma'am. Thank you so much for joining me today. It was an absolute honor
thank
interacting
you,
with you. And I hope to see you soon. And I hope to see you soon winning more medals for our country. And I hope you continue to make our country proud. Thank you so much, ma'am.
thank you. Okay, bye bye.